This gentleman's a short 3 months out from having an eyebrow transplant, and as you can see, they're grown in quite well at 3 months. He actually has no eyebrows before. These are all transplanted. The speed of the growth is due to the regenerative medicines that we use, the ATP hypothermosol, PRP, and ACell, which really is just so different from most other places. He had a condition called trichotillomania, which many years ago, fortunately he's no longer doing this, but he plucked out all his eyebrows, but they're all gone. Would you mind telling us what you think about the results?
It's just a wow effect. It's given me a whole different look, and my family and friends have just said, wow, you look great, and impressed by the results.
That's great. I'm very impressed as well, and it's growing in very well.